favorite spot, y'all. This is where I go get all my injections and everything done, and it's so cute in here. Look at this. Hey, girl.
Hi, how are you? Welcome.
Hey, babe.
I'll get yours Taylor right out for you.
Okay. Y'all, look how freaking cute it is. Taylor, baby, what are you doing? Baby, what are you doing? Look at us. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get started, y'all. So we're gonna go over the main stuff first, and then I'll bring you back. Taylor. Wait a minute, Taylor. What? Look at my girl.
And then we want to see a new island.
She, where? Where's it at?
I wanted her to see.
Friend.
Yes. Do you love it?
Look at this. This is freaking gold. Look at this. Do y'all see this? Can I get my waiting room like this one day? Can I get my clients up and get my waiting room like this one day?
I got you.
Yes, girl. Okay, girlfriend. Listen, because we're going to have a session up in here, girl. I'm going to get to sweating and everything, but that's okay, guys, because it's Taylor. It's Taylor. We can do it. Yeah.
Let's get some lovely.
Ooh, look at this. Sheesh Louise.
There you go.
Thank you, friend.
She is
Professional.
a professional.
Listen, okay, y'all. I'm gonna come back once we do the real deal stuff real quick, and then I'll bring y'all back in. You'll see like this the areas right here. I need that to kind of be gone a little bit. Like when I got it done last time, my girl got me right. So she's gonna get me right again, and then we're gonna do some Botox like right up here and this area here, because your girl, like I'm in my prime. Okay, I'm still young. I'm 21. I'm still 21. Okay, y'all.
We're gonna be 21 forever.
We gonna be.
We're gonna be 21 forever.
What is like the pain level on this? Is this like
this is
worse?
This is so much easier. This is gonna feel like a little pinch. It's gonna look like little bug bites for the next 30 minutes or an hour, and it's gonna go away.
Okay, so it's nothing like.
It's so much easier than lips.
Okay.
What I tell everyone is, if you can do lips, you can do anything on the face.
Yeah, because that wasn't too bad.
This is gonna be easier than even this.
Okay.
It'll be like little tiny pinches. I'm gonna talk you through it. You know I'm gonna coach you.
Okay, right. Yes, listen, I'm in here sweating and stuff, so.
No, and then do you want a comfort pillow?
Yeah.
I got you.
Yes, let's do all that. I need everything.
And then Christina's a good cheerleader too.
Yeah. Christina, get me right, girl.
I'll hold your hand.
Because, this gotta go in the camera. And I can't have my folks see me sweat like that because I be tripping.
Here you go.
Where do I put this at? Right here? Or under my leg?
You just hold it.
Oh.
Just hold it.
Okay.
Hug it.
You just hug that.
Do you want to hold it? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because we gotta get ready, y'all. I'll be in here tripping.
Alright. Alright, let's start with cleaning off your forehead, and then I'm going to mark you out.
Now, y'all, when I get up out of here and y'all don't see this makeup in certain areas.
All for the beauty experience.
All for the beauty.
The things we do, right?
Mm-hmm. It's so freaking worth it, though.
I'm sorry that this smells like tequila, but I'm just getting you prepped
I know.
for your Saturday night.
Girl, I have not been doing anything. I got so boring. Like, it's like, when 30 hit, it was just.
I'm going to be 30 next month.
Girl, it's too old.
I know. Lift up really high. I'm going to mark you out. Perfect. You're going to love this.
No, and I don't trust anybody but her to work on any injection on my face. Girl, I have to play.
All right, friend. So you can just frown right into the center, and then relax. And then I want you to take a big deep breath. And little pinch, that's it. get this guy right here. And that's it.
Okay, guys, that was not too bad. That wasn't too bad.
That's not too bad. And then frown for me. And relax. And little baby poke. And frown. And relax. Sorry, girl. Big deep breath. Perfect. How was that?
It wasn't bad.
Not bad?
It wasn't bad at all. Like, that was nothing compared to
The lippies.
the lips. Oh my god.
And then you can lift up really high. And then relax. And little hook. And little hook. And little hook.
I'm
How's
done?
that? You're done.
Oh my gosh, that was not freaking bad at all.
Not bad?
Yeah, she tried to kill me. No, I was not. I didn't even really feel that.
You know what? I think we should do a little brow pop.
Okay, let's pop the brows and stuff, because you know you're getting all this stuff and this stuff start dropping down. Let's go and get it filled. I can't wait.
Snatch your brow real quick.
Snatch my brow. Cannot wait. Okay, that was not bad. I wish everything was like this simple.
Well, you started with the hardest one, so you're doing good.
Yeah, the lips were a little spicy, like my girl said.
And then you're going to feel a little poke on that brow. A little baby poke. Perfect. That'll snatch that.
Yes, okay. Listen, y'all. I'm coming for 2021.
I'm with you. Almost done. And you are snatched.
And that's that, y'all. We will see y'all after we do the under eye, and I will give y'all a review, y'all.